Hey guys, welcome to another Ready Yeti Spotlight. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out OME Gear. OME Gear are the makers of the Wanderr. It's a modular camping chair slash cart slash cot slash bench. It's a lot of things. It's like a camping transformer, except it doesn't fight crime or evil robots, whatever. Honestly, it could be so many things that it's hard to refer to it as anything but the Wanderr. OME Gear, aka Ocean, Mountain, Earth, is family owned and operated by Julie Weldon and her spouse, Stacy Pierce. It's actually kind of an interesting story. Julie's parents originally created the first prototype a long time ago. And then when Julie and Stacy got married, they basically brought it back to life and tweaked it and put it out there. It's a whole 20-year family affair. The Wanderr is a 5-in-1 piece of camping furniture. It will help keep your traveling light, make traveling easy, and you only really need to have one thing that can do 5 different things that you're likely going to use. A chair is always useful, a cart even more so if you're camping. You can lug all that stuff. And the fact that you don't need to have a cart and chair separate, it's a home run. Or even a cot for that matter. The Wanderr is perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, going to the beach, especially going to the beach, festivals, sporting events, maybe tailgating, really anywhere where you might need a bench, cot, cart, or a chair. The Wanderr has a seating capacity of 300 pounds, and it can hold up to 150 pounds in cart mode. It's fully reclinable in low chair and lounger mode. That's, one of the more important features. Comfort. Comfort's key. Come on. Get with the program here. And it has dual cup holders, 2, for maximum chilling. You can hydrate and dehydrate, whether it's like water and coffee, beer and coffee, wine and coffee, anything in coffee. A lot of coffee though. Its tough aluminum frame is weather resistant and saltwater resistant. In case, taking it to the beach, don't want that nasty salt. And it has durable UV resistant fabric. Their patented SandTrax wheels are perfect for rolling on beaches or sand, anything like that. It's really any kind of rough terrain. Their wheels aren't air-filled, so it's way easier to just roll over stuff. And you don't have to worry about flats or filling it up with air. You just go. Make it happen. Let's get the show on the road here. Surprisingly, the total product only weighs 30 pounds. It's not even that heavy. And it comes with an oversized bungee cargo net, so you can kind of keep everything together when it's in cart mode. No gear left behind. This thing is built to last. No more buying a chair for like a couple seasons and then throwing it out. You have a chair, a cart, and a cot that you can use at any time. You don't have to worry about, getting a cheap option, filling up landfills. Buy it once and have it always. At the very least, you'll use it as a chair or a cart. Everything else is a bonus. Instead of thinking of the short term, get a Wanderr and then, have it for life. You have like 5 different things in one. No brainer. Come on. If you're looking for something simple, if you go to a lot of places where you find yourself setting up camp, you're traveling around a lot, maybe you're into RVing, OME Gear's Wanderr could be perfect. Make your life way easier. That's it for our spotlight of OME Gear's The Wanderr. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, give us a like. It's all super helpful stuff. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another Ready Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week.